Gary Vee, any of those guys that have a huge following, they have just as many people that don't. Right.
I'd give it all for a look, for a call, for a kiss, for a roll of
Haha, we're in downtown Detroit, son. What's up? It's Keith Kalpis. And in this vlog, we're going to hang out with my buddy DJ Carroll, Coach Carroll. He's down here in downtown, and he just spoke at Greektown Casino. It's like an hour from my house, so I'm gonna come out here and hang out with him. Vlogs in Kentucky at the GIE Expo. And now he's in my side of town. Got to say what's up to the homie. And we're also going to study some funnels and Facebook ads, hang out and talk business and marketing. So join along.
Lightning strikes by my window. Hits my chest right in the morning.
Raising the Bar Detroit Clothing Company. What's up, Marco Polo? Yeah, dog. They're on a call. I'm gonna order me a coffee. Take a leak. Been on the road for like an hour and a half. I'm gonna order a small caramel frappuccino hot one, maybe.
A hot one?
Yeah.
All right, so you want a caramel latte?
Caramel latte.
All right, cool. What size? Small?
Small.
put the place up. Put my face up.
Videotaping people's shoes, man. So what are you guys doing right now? What's going on? You guys are focused? You're doing business? I mean, I literally come in here and these guys are on the hustle.
Yeah, man. Just hired a vice president of business development, so we're building out all the infrastructure for him. Job description, roles, duties, responsibilities, handbook.
Wait, is this for your the pressure washing business or for your ad tech company? Because you guys are building funnels and doing Facebook advertising, so you're an advertising agency. Yep. Oh, so you're getting all that locked down with a new client?
No, new vice president of business development, so he's MBA. He's coming on board. He starts Monday.
Oh, for you guys?
Yeah, for us. Yeah, employee.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, that's smart. Cool. And this is, introduce you to it.
Yeah, so this is my brother Nick. I'm DJ. Coach Carroll, as you may have or seen me online. But yeah, my brother helps me in the ad tech company. And we started about 18 months ago. And now we've got clients in 9 different states. Doing pretty well.
Yes, man. What up, bro?
Yeah. Working, all work, man. All work all the time.
Facebook ad strategist genius, bro.
Like, this is what you have to look like. What, July, August, September, October, like these are month by month. So what he does is optimizes this every month. So $2.31 a click, 70, got it down, went to 366 and 360, and then it got up to $4. So he's like, we got to make a change, and now he changed it. And so right now, last month our client was getting $4.54 a click.
Yeah.
This month they're getting $1.60. So that's what we're doing.
Now, is that because you guys just keep optimizing or tweaking, or is it an algorithm or audience
Nick
shift?
has changing it. He changes it because he's got a finance degree. So he was going to be a stock trader, which that's what stock traders do, is look at trend lines and numbers all the time. So he literally every month manages these things, and actually on a weekly, daily basis on how we can optimize it.
How much are you going to charge me to manage my Facebook ads?
$1 million.
$1 billion. Oh, this is dope. What floor is this, man?
26.
Wow, I've never even seen Detroit from this angle, and this lighting is great. You guys need to shoot lots of videos in here. This is perfect light. See, on an overcast day, the lighting's whatever. It's not as bad. Dude,
Got a bunch of white light coming in.
I feel like I'm on the edge, bro. So this is my first time ever giving somebody else a tour through downtown Detroit. Island. I'm like, you want Greek food or you want some bomb-ass Detroit Coney Island? Coney dogs are famous in Detroit.
Oh, didn't know that.
Yeah. So the Coney Island's too far away. We're going to the Golden Fleece. The Golden Fleece is one of the best restaurants in all of downtown Detroit. This place is delicious. They have authentic gyros. They've never seen. Opa!
You're blurry. Oh, there we go. There you go.
We're getting Saganaki, bro.
That's what happens when you wait, then the flame was only a little bit big.
Oh, that was big.
It was still good, but usually sometimes the flame will go up so high it's like hitting the ceiling fan and they come out with fire extinguishers, bro.
The hotter it is, the quicker the flame goes out.
Oh man, look at that.
You guys enjoy it?
Thanks.
Chicken shawarma, beef and lamb gyro. Bro. Oh shit. So now, we're going on a tour. That was delicious. We're going on a tour downtown. I'm the tour guide. Hanging out with a couple of hillbillies. I mean, fuck, look at me.
Yeah, they got it all turned off.
Look at this waterfall, dude. This thing's huge.
Oh, that's badass when it's on, dude.
Yeah, it is sweet. Now we're on the subway now.
Yeah, look, there's the flag. That's crazy, man. Like, that's Canada. That's nuts.
That's Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's the Ambassador Bridge right there. So you can just drive across and then you're in Canada. And people go there all the time to party and gamble and shit.
Cool, man.
Man, this is fun as shit. We're gonna look at the Joe Louis fist. Heavyweight, it's hard to talk so loud. Heavyweight boxing champion fought Muhammad Ali and they cast his fist in iron. And they put it out there for there to see. Man. So let's go check it out.
That's a badass tripod, dude.
You know why?
All right,
Dude, I gotta put this in my book. I'm like,
I wasn't expecting Keith to walk in.
hey everybody, this is Joe Kowalski, the founder of Service Monster. And he's here, but he's not. He's virtually here. Yeah, dude.
There you go.
What's up? Alright, so we're going to... Oh, fucking amazing. Oh, you said the pressure washing, the convention where you spoke.
Yeah.
They're partying at B-Dubs right now?
Yeah.
Alright, sweet. That's where we're going, man. I was up till 5 a.m. yesterday morning, up till 6 a.m. this morning. I slept 4 hours in like 3 days. And I think, is this what crushing it is? You just work until you fall over, or what? So now we're at B-Dubs, and I can't believe they got chicken wings up here, and I'm slow-mowing the chicken wings, dog. What did I just say? I said I'm slow-mowing the chicken wings, dog. I just interviewed Coach Carroll on my window cleaning blueprint channel. Check the link in the description below about why we're here, and all these guys, this mobile power washing association, these or pressure washing houses. Check it out. It's a huge industry, and that's why I'm here. No, I'm here to vlog. I don't know. Yeah, so this is really cool, getting around like-minded people and hanging out with other small business owners and talking and discussing business and seeing the mindsets. The personal growth translates. It's just so awesome. Yeah, man, they got all types of cool stuff like this in downtown Detroit. I like it. It's a beautiful city. I should have been fucking taping this. Damn it. It was so good. I should have been taping the whole thing, and you missed out on it because I was enjoying it. And I fucking, you're fucked. I'm sorry.
It's like saying, dude, sorry you didn't. Gary Vee. Any of those guys that have a huge following, they have just as many people that don't like them as they do that do it.
A nice shake from Sonic, man. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. The wife Patron calls me and goes, "Will you bring me home a root beer float with the ice cream and the Yes. Daddy's got that ice cream, cream. Daddy's got that ice cream, cream. Daddy's got that ice cream. You like?
Ice cream. Daddy's got the ice cream.
Ice cream for Daddy baby. Where? Oh, we got that ice cream for the baby. Oh. Daddy's got that ice cream, cream. Daddy's got that ice cream, cream. You're gonna be singing that, aren't you? Thank you, Raising the Bar Detroit. Daddy's got that ice cream, cream. Daddy's got that ice cream, cream. Ice cream. Ice cream for the baby. What is this? Rescue baby Shih Tzu puppies. Oh, look at your baby. Little baby puppy pup. Man, look at these little beautiful little puppy doggies. Little miniature Shih Tzus. Yes. How long are we gonna have these ones? An Oreo cheesecake. Did you feed them? fed them this morning before I ran out the door.
You're tripping.
I need to feed them again. I gotta feed them. I gotta go. So that's the end of this vlog. Smash the thumbs up button if you so if you so want to. Press the subscribe button and check the links in the description below this video. Let me know what's up in the comments below. Peace.